In this section, we are going to look at financial acts and regulations. When dealing with corporate finances, there are strict regulations that shape the way financial information is gathered, stored, and reported. As a manager, you must understand why the laws exist, what they require, and how you factor into the situation. There are severe consequences when these laws are not followed. There may be controls already in place at your company, but if you intend on being involved with the financial activities in your company, it is best to become familiar with some of the legal requirements businesses must follow. In this section, we will take a look at a brief history, the Sarbanes-Oxley Act, the CEO/CFO certification, and the 8th Company Law Directive.